Steps to reduce generation of wastes. To reduce generation of waste is not only the contribution of a single person. We all have to contribute in it. We should reduce our garbage. How to reduce this? Here are some steps. We should make a minimum use of plastic bags. We should reuse the bags wherever it is possible to do so without any adverse effects. We should insist shopkeepers to use paper bags instead of plastic. We must carry a cloth or a jute bag when we go out for shopping. We should not use plastic bags to store eatables. We should not throw plastic bags here and there after use. Never burn plastic bags and other plastic items. Do not put garbage in plastic bags and throw it away. We should use vermicomposting at home and deal with our kitchen waste usefully. We should recycle paper. We should use both sides of the paper to write. Use a slate for rough work. Use blank sheets of paper left in our notebooks for rough work. We should make our family, friends, and others to follow proper practices for disposing different kinds of wastes. The most important point to know and think about is that more garbage we generate, more difficult it will be to get rid of it. Remember, refuse things that increase garbage. Reduce garbage by consuming less and throwing less. Reuse wherever possible. Recycle. These are 4 R's that are used to manage the waste. We should apply these in our day-to-day life. Key notes to remember. Wastes may be solid, liquid, or gaseous. Wastes are of 2 types, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. The 2 kinds of waste must be segregated and disposed of separately. Biodegradable waste should be recycled by composting or vermicomposting. Solid waste is disposed of in a low-lying open area called a landfill. Paper is reused by making carry bags and recycled for making recycled paper. Metal and glass can be recycled by melting and making new products. Plastics are a serious environmental and health concern. Use of plastic carry bags should be reduced and recycling should be increased. Key terms. Composting. The conversion of solid waste into manure. Biodegradable wastes. The wastes that decay and get mixed with soil. Domestic waste. Solid waste generated in our homes. Landfills. Large open areas used for solid waste disposal. Non-biodegradable wastes. The waste which cannot be broken down by decomposers. Refuse. Say no to its use. Reduce. This means that you use it less. Reuse. Use things again and again. Recycle. Processing waste to make new product. Vermicomposting. The method of preparing compost with the help of earthworms. Waste. Something which is of no use or purpose.